Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the why developers are moving away from the React. So first of all, why the developers are moving? Here you can see performance bottlenecks, virtual DOM overhead. Second one, that is complex hooks and the state management, SEO challenges, and then large bundle size and the build time issues. So this is the reasons why developers are moving right away from the React. Then what are the alternatives? First one, that is Vue, the beginner friendly powerhouse, simpler than React, great for the beginners, two-way data binding, built-in state management, and best for the small and the medium projects. If you have the small and the medium projects, then you can use Swilet, no virtual DOM and the superfast. No virtual DOM updates the DOM directly, less boilerplate, no hooks, small bundle sizes for the fast performances, best for the performance critical apps you can use there. Solid.js, a most performant React alternative, React like API but more optimized, uses fine grained reactivity, no re renders, great for the real time updates and the high performance apps. Next, we have a quick, ultra fast, and the resumability. No hydration needed. Only require JS. Best for the large apps with heavy content. Ideal for the performance obsessed developers. Then we have Astro, the best for the static and the SEO websites. Loads only minimum JavaScript, hybrid rendering, SG and SR. Supports multiple frameworks like React, Vue, and the Servlet. Best for the content heavy and the SEO optimized sites. Next, we have already know that is Angular, the enterprise giant. Full-fledged framework with built-in features, TypeScript first, and the structured architecture best for the large-scale enterprise applications. Which one you should choose? Vue or the Servlet, great for the beginners, Solid.js or the Quick, best for the performance, Astro, ideal for the static sites and the SEO, Angular, best for the enterprise apps. So if you have anything just do let me know in the comment section and please let me know about your views. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.